Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. This is Paul, and today we are going to unbox my very first Taylor Swift album. Like, I can't believe I'm having a Taylor Swift album in my home right now. I mean, I do like her songs. Okay, so listen. So when I was like little, a friend of mine introduced me to Taylor Swift, and I liked her songs. I like her popular songs like Blank Space. Um, what is it? Honestly, songs mostly from this album that I'm going to unbox right now. And yeah, I can't wait. Because now I feel like I'm like a Swiftie because I basically like most of her albums, but I feel like this one in particular is a good album to start with because this is the 1989 Taylor Swift version. But yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So I have the box right here. But yeah, I've known Taylor Swift since I was like a child. And right now, and I guess like the beginning of this year, I started to listen to her more. And then the first album I listened to was Lover. Oh my god, that album blew my mind. Like, I love it so much. Hopefully she does like a Taylor Swift version of that album. But if not, I'll get the album anyways. But I feel like when I listen to 1989, I'm like, I have to get this album because this album is literally my second favorite Taylor Swift album. Oh. Oh my god, you guys. Look at her. Oh. Can you see her? I don't know if you... Oh. My god. Look. I got the Tangerine edition. Oh my god, she is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at Taylor. Oh my god, my ring light. Look at my ring light. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Okay, and here's the back. With all the songs listed. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, my ring light is like messing me up right now. Okay, let me take it out of the plastic. But yeah. Wait, I actually want to keep the sticker. So I know, like, which vinyl it is. You know what I mean? Okay, I want to, like, how do I, like, not break it? Okay, I got the sticker. Oh, it's heavy. Be careful. Okay, so here she is. Okay, I'm gonna turn off my ring light for a moment. Ooh, it's real dark now. But like, here she is. I don't know if you can see her. Hopefully you can. This is the back. Hopefully you can see. But yeah. Okay, so when you open it. Oh my god. You guys. Look at, oh shoot. Look at this. Oh my god. Let me step back. Like, oh my god. She is so gorgeous. Okay, so this is on the left side. Okay, so we have this. I don't know if you can like read that. I hope you can. So we have Welcome to New York. Oh, I love that song. We have Blank Space. We have Style. Oh my god, when I heard Blank Space for the first time, oh my god, I loved it so much. I replayed it for like 12 billion times until I got sick of it. But it's still a good song. I mean, look at Taylor right here. Wow. Blank Space, Style, Out of the Woods. Oh my god, Out of the Woods is honestly my favorite song on the album. Like, let's just say it. My favorite song. All you have to do is stay. And then on the back, you see Taylor right here. And she has Shake It Off. I love Shake It Off. I Wish You Would. Bad Blood. Oh my god, that music video. I love that music video. Wildest Dreams. How You Get the Girl. This Love. I Know Places. Oh, I love I Know Places. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. You guys. Look at that. Okay, so in camera, it looks like it's very, pale. But in person, it's very orange. It's so beautiful. Okay, the other side. Oh, wow. Okay, so here is the other side. Taylor winning at the beach. Well, she's not winning, she's like posing, I guess. But yeah. So this side has Clean. Wonderland. Oh my god. I love Wonderland. Oh, such a great song. Honestly, that's my, I'm gonna give you my top 5 in a minute here. But yeah. Okay, you have You Are in Love. New Romantics. Slut from The Vaults. Say Don't Go from The Vaults. Okay, here's the other side. Taylor over there. And we have TS89. Why did she put, I guess 89, I guess 89 makes sense because 1989. You don't have to really put the 19, but you know. Huh, I wonder if the other, oh my god, I'm literally like destroying this thing. If the other like, you know, there's like different vinyl colors. Like there's a green one, a blue one, a pink one, and I think a yellow one. I feel like, do they connect with this? Or is it just the same? Leave it in the comments down below. Because I want to know. Okay, so now we have Now We Don't Talk from The Vaults. We have Suburban Legends. Is It Over Now? And a bonus track, Sweeter Than Fiction. Now, I haven't heard Sweeter Than Fiction. So, that's going to be very interesting. Okay, it's just the same color. I'm just gonna show it to you. It is so pretty. Okay, so that is it for the 1989 Taylor's version. I can't wait to play this on my vinyl record. Okay, so now the variants of this vinyl. So I know they have different colors, and I think they, don't they, I feel like they connect, right? If not, leave it in the comments down below, because I don't know. But yeah, I was not going to buy a million vinyls of the same vinyl. So I was like, which color should I get? So I did like a spun the wheel on my phone and it told me to get the tangerine one. And I was like, you know what? Okay. And I got it. So yeah, I was really going to originally get the blue one, but when I saw that the orange one had a bonus track, I was like, okay, I feel like I should get the orange one because what if I like the bonus track, you know? So yeah, here it is. So let me give you my top 5. Okay, so the first one is going to be Out of the Woods. The second, Taylor's version, I'm sorry. Out of the Woods, Taylor's version. The second one has to be, ooh, I really love Bad Blood, Taylor's version. Like, that song is good, so that's 2. Okay, third one is, ooh, How You Get the Girl. Oh my god. I love that song. 3. Taylor's version. Okay, the fourth one is I Know Places, Taylor's version. And the fifth one is Wonderland. So yeah. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys love it. And I can't wait to play 1989. It's going to sound so good. And yeah. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and push that bell notification so you never miss a video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!